In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur your background on Zoom. If you've ever wanted a cleaner, more private look in your meetings without showing what's behind you, this simple setting is all you need. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can turn it on in just a few seconds. First, make sure you're already inside a Zoom meeting. Once you're in, look at the bottom left corner of your Zoom window where the video controls are located. You'll see the Start Video or Stop Video button. Right next to it, there is a small upward arrow, sometimes called a caret. Click that small arrow. A menu will appear with several options related to your camera and video settings. From this list, choose Video and Effects Settings. Depending on your version of Zoom, the wording might be slightly different, but you're looking for the option that opens your full video settings panel. Once the settings window opens, navigate to the section called Virtual Backgrounds. In some versions, this may appear as Backgrounds and Effects, but it works the same way. This is the area where Zoom lets you control what appears behind you during a meeting. Here, you may see a few default images or background options, but what we're focusing on is the Blur feature. Look for the option labeled Blur and click on it once. As soon as you select it, you'll notice an immediate change in your camera preview. Your face stays sharp and in focus, while everything behind you becomes softly blurred. This creates a clean, professional look that reduces distractions and keeps attention on you instead of your surroundings. If you don't see the blur option, don't worry. This usually depends on your Zoom version or your device performance. In that case, updating Zoom to the latest version or restarting the application can sometimes make the feature appear. Also, using a supported camera can make a difference. Now, once Blur is enabled, you don't need to adjust anything else during your meeting. It stays active until you turn it off manually or change your background settings again. A few quick tips to make your blur effect look even better. Try to sit in a well-lit environment so Zoom can clearly detect your face and separate you from the background. Avoid strong light sources directly behind you, like bright windows, because they can make the effect less accurate. Also, try to stay centered in your camera frame. Keeping your shoulders and upper body visible helps maintain a consistent blur effect, even if you move slightly while speaking. If you lean too far out of frame, the background separation may not look as smooth. And that's really all there is to it. Click the arrow next to your video button, open Video and Effects Settings, go to Virtual Backgrounds, and select Blur. In just a few clicks, you can instantly improve your on-camera appearance. Now you're ready to join your meetings with a clean, distraction-free background that looks professional every time. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your sharper, more focused Zoom meetings.